Pairing your Exodus mobile wallet to your Exodus desktop wallet is quick and easy. If you're starting a new mobile wallet, click on the I already have a wallet selection from the Getting Started screen. Or, if the wallet is already open, press the profile icon, then press Settings, Restore Wallet, and then confirm this is what you would like to do, and then press Pair with Desktop. Back in your desktop wallet, click on the Settings tab and then select Devices. Then, click the Pair Now button. Please note, your wallet must be backed up and a password set to use the pairing function. Unlock your wallet with your password. Then, click Scan the QR code button to reveal the QR code. Back in your mobile wallet, click Pair with Desktop to activate the camera. Scan the QR code and then verify the pairing words on your mobile device match the words on your desktop. Then click Confirm in your desktop wallet. Your mobile wallet will then begin the restore process. Please note, only assets supported on both mobile and desktop will sync between both devices, since Exodus Mobile doesn't support all the same tokens as your desktop wallet. For example, the Ethos balance on your desktop will not reflect in your mobile wallet. The restore process will only take a few minutes, and once complete, a confirmation screen will let you know you're all set. Now you're ready to take your blockchain assets anywhere.